Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we shall continue our previous topic, and the topic name is already written over here, direct and indirect speech, in which today we shall study how to change interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Let's see how we can change it. The first sentence I have taken over here, Ram said to me, "Are you going to Delhi today?" Here, the second sentence I have taken, he said to me, "Am I a good student?" First sentence I have written, Arvind said to me, "Have you got married?" Now, how we can change? We will understand here through the with the help of various examples. Let's see how we can change the first sentence, first yes no type interrogative sentence into indirect speech. So here we will write Ram, indirect speech. Ram asked, Ram asked me. We will remove this double inverted comma and we will write here either if or whether. Any one we can write here. If if I was going to Delhi that day. See here, with the help of this table, you have to change. This one is given in direct speech and it is given in what? Indirect speech. Indirect speech. So here, anywhere if you are getting say to, says to or said to, then it will be changed into asked, asked or asked. Or also you can write it what? Inquire, inquires, inquired. So whatever seems easy to you, you can use either ask, asked, asked or inquire, inquires, inquired. It's up to you only. So I am using here asked. Okay. So Ram asked me. Then we will remove these double inverted commas and in place of this double inverted commas, I will write here any one of both. Like either I will write if or whether. Whatever seems you easy, you can write. For me, if is easy for me. So I will write here, Ram asked me if I was going to Delhi that day. Now, you know, the rule says that when we are changing into indirect speech, okay, then the first verb should be here, make the interrogative sentence, change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. So what will be the assertive sentence? You are going to Delhi today. Okay. Now we can easily find out this sentence is given in present imperfect tense and the rule of direct and indirect speech says that if reporting verb is given in past tense and the reported speech is given in present imperfect tense, then it will be changed into past imperfect tense. Okay. And you know also here you is given. So this will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Okay. So here is what object means. So this will be converted into what? I. That is why Ram asked me if I was going to Delhi that day, because today will be also converted into that day. And because it is given in what? Present imperfect tense. So what would be the past imperfect tense? was and were plus VING. Okay. So in this way we can change this type of sentence into indirect speech. Now come to the second part. In the B number question, I have written over here, he said to me, am I a good student? So we will write over here, he asked, he asked me. If, again we have to do the same work, we will remove this double inverted comma, we will make this interrogative sentence as a assertive sentence. So, am I a good student is an interrogative sentence. So, what will be the assertive sentence? I am a good student. Okay. So, we will write here. He asked me if I was a good student. Then, after changing the sentence into indirect speech, we will not use question mark. Like in direct speech, we are using here everywhere question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. But after changing the interrogative sentence into indirect speech, no need to give question mark. We will simply put a full stop. Okay. So it is very easy to understand now and how it happened, why I changed this aim into was that already I taught you with the help of the table. Now try to understand the another one. Arvind said to me, have you got married? So here again will be answered in this way. We can change the third sentence into indirect speech like this. Arvind asked me if I had got married. Arvind asked me if I had got married because the sentence is given in present perfect tense and the reporting verb is given in past tense. So the rule says that if the reporting verb is given in past tense and the reported speech is given in present tense, then we will change according to the respective past tense of that present tense. So because it is example of the present perfect tense, so we will change this into what? Past perfect tense. So that is why I have written over here, I had got married. And the rule says that after changing interrogative sentence into indirect speech, we will not use question mark. In place of question mark, we will simply put a full stop. Okay. So this was all about how to change interrogative sentence, yes, no type interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Okay. Now let's write the rules. So what does the rule say that? The first rule says that convert. This one is the rule first. Okay. Rule first says that change this into this. Now rule second says that what? Remove, remove, or you can write also use if or whether in place of commas. That means we have to remove double inverted commas and in that place we have to use what? Either if or whether. This is rule number 3. 2. And the rule number 3 says that change the tense, subject and helping verb according to the rule of direct and indirect. Okay. So rule already I taught you with the help of the table. So you will write here change change subject or you can write here change subject person and tense. Use change subject person tense and helping verb person tense and helping verb according to rule of direct and indirect. So it means here you have to change according to the dot table. Okay, already I taught you with the help of the table, so you can change this yes no type interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Okay, so this was all about the rules and the examples how to change interrogative sentence yes no type interrogative sentence into indirect speech. In next session we shall study how to change WH type interrogative sentences into indirect speech. Thank you very much.